Hello there, my name's Tom O'Neill. I'm the front desk agent here at the Residence Inn at Biltmore, and I'm here to show you a little bit of towel art today. Now, towel art is a good way for housekeeping or anyone on a staff or a hotel to really make a lasting impression on a guest, because it's time that you take into the guest experience that really, I find, helps out a lot. So today I'm going to start off with a swan. And the reason why I've chosen the swan to start off with, it's the most basic of the towel creations that you can create. As well, it's on our Biltmore Farms family logo, the family crest there. So that's a great way to tie in the theme with where I'm working as well into the room. So what you do is you're just going to take one regular towel, bath towel that you would put into the suites or the rooms, and you're going to go ahead and just kind of eyeball the middle there when you hold it out, just like so. So I'm going to eyeball the middle just here, and I'm going to put my chin down. I'm going to rest my chin here. And it's very important that with your towel, that whenever you're folding them, that you really fold them in tightly, and that's going to help hold the shape of whatever animal that you're making with your towel. So here I go. I'm going to place my towel right here, put my chin down in the middle, and then I'm going to roll these two corners that my hands are at the top down into the middle until I can't roll them any further, just like this. Start rolling nice and tight. Remember, nice and tight. And how I can tell if it's tight is because the towel has lost all resistance here in the middle. Fold it all the way, or roll it rather. And this is the beginnings of our swan here. Now notice it looks like a giant carrot. It's like this is the carrot side, and then this is kind of like the green leaf side. So you want to pinch at the very top where your chin was holding, and you want to pull. You really want to pull to make sure that all the fibers in the towel really stick together. And that's going to help also with your keeping of your shape as well. So you lay down your swan wherever you want the swan's final resting place, or graceful resting place, I should say, into the room. This is going to be the tail area there, so you can fluff it up to make it look like the tail. And now you want to go ahead and find the middle of your carrot right here. And you want to kind of do like a karate chop here in the middle, not literally, but just rest your hand. And you're going to fold the tip back over towards the green leafy end of our carrot, and then you're going to roll in. This is our beak here for our swan. You're going to roll it in, and that's going to cause the graceful neck motion there of your towel swan. And now this would be the breast of our swan, so we want to push this down and collapse it on itself. The reason why is because that's going to help start to arch it back to begin our S-curve of our swan. So I push it in, crump it together, and now you can see it's already formed the swan, just like that. And you can put this in the bathroom. This is a really great kind of a theme idea for the bathroom. Nice, elegant little washing experience there. And that is how you make your towel folding for your swan. Thank you.